Imagine crafting the journey of a user through a digital world. That's the life of a UX designer. Curious? Stick around. User experience, or UX, is a vital part of our digital interactions today. It's about creating seamless, intuitive experiences that make our lives easier and more enjoyable. A UX designer is the architect of these experiences, building bridges between users and technology. We're going to explore this role, its responsibilities, what skills you need, and more. Ready to step into the shoes of a UX designer? Dive in. A UX designer wears many hats. Let's uncover them. At the heart of their role is understanding user needs. Think of it like being a detective, deciphering the user's needs and wants and translating them into design. They create user personas, a bit like an author developing characters for a novel. These personas represent the different user types that might use their service, product, or site. The UX designer then steps into the shoes of an architect, designing wireframes, which are like blueprints for the website or app. These wireframes lay out the structure, layout, and functionality of the platform. It's a bit like designing a house but for a digital space. Finally, they become testers, ensuring their designs work as intended. Imagine them as quality control agents, making sure the user experience is as seamless as possible. They make adjustments based on feedback, continually refining the design. From understanding to testing, a UX designer shapes the user's journey. So what does it take to become a UX designer? Let's dive in, shall we? First off, creativity is crucial. As a UX designer, you'll be designing digital interfaces that are intuitive and user-friendly. Therefore, a knack for problem solving and an eye for design are key. Next up is empathy. You need to understand users' needs, desires, and frustrations. This will allow you to create experiences that not only satisfy users but delight them. Thirdly, technical skills are a must. Familiarity with design software, coding, and data analysis can give you an edge in this field. Good communication is also vital. You'll be collaborating with various teams and explaining your ideas to stakeholders. So being able to articulate your thoughts clearly is essential. As for experience, a degree in a related field like graphic design or computer science can be helpful. But what truly matters is your portfolio. Showcasing projects where you've applied UX principles will demonstrate your competency. With the right skills and experience, you can shape digital worlds. Every job has its ups and downs. UX design is no different. Let's dive into the perks first. UX designers often enjoy a competitive salary. They also have the luxury of a flexible work schedule, which can be a dream come true for those seeking a work-life balance. And their work is valued and recognized, giving them a sense of status and satisfaction. However, every rose has its thorns. In the world of UX design, staying updated with the ever-evolving tech trends is crucial. It's a constant learning journey, which can be both exciting and overwhelming. Dealing with complex user needs can be challenging too. Sometimes it's like solving a puzzle with no clear answers. But hey, it's these very challenges that make the job interesting and rewarding. The thrill of cracking a tough user problem is unmatched, and the joy of creating a seamless user experience, that's priceless. The journey of a UX designer is filled with rewards and challenges. Are you up for it? UX design is just the beginning. Let's explore where it can lead you. Starting as a junior UX designer, you'll have the opportunity to climb the career ladder, moving up to a senior UX designer, lead UX designer, and finally, a UX manager. Each step of progression offers increased responsibility, autonomy, and of course, remuneration. But the career arc doesn't stop at management. The skills and experience gained in UX design open doors to other exciting roles. Think about becoming a product designer, where you'll use your UX know-how to shape entire products. Or consider a move into interaction design, focusing on the way users interact with products. There's also the option to specialize as a user researcher, delving deep into user behavior and needs. So whether you're drawn to leadership, creativity, or research, UX design provides a springboard to a wide array of roles. With UX design, the digital world is your oyster. So, are you ready to embark on the journey of a UX designer? Today, we've navigated the exciting path of this role, from its responsibilities, skills required, to the challenges and perks it offers. We've also explored the potential for career progression and related roles. Understanding and applying these insights could open up a rewarding career in the digital world. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and check out our other content for more insights into fascinating careers. Your journey into the digital world starts here.